Hey y'all, James Meter here. Hope you're doing well. I just finished this kit build, so I just wanted to share a little bit about it. It's the Skulptor 501, and what it is a power supply for a single channel 500 series module. And I built this for musician Drew Waters, who wants to use this as a dedicated power supply for a headphone amp. So that's pretty cool. It's got some unique features here. It's got DC in, and what you can do is you can daisy chain multiple units together from one power source. That's handy. It's got the XLR I/O here, and then this TRS aux I/O. You can actually assign on the PCB board what part of the signal comes out of here, so it's super flexible. Here's some of the build. I got a couple inductors here. These guys right here, those are electrolytic capacitors. Those orange ones down there, those are ceramic capacitors. There's some resistors, these blue things here. There's even more things under there. Crazy how many things are going on here. There's an inductor here, voltage regulators here, another electrolytic capacitor. And the crazy thing about this is that I tested it with this 512C microphone preamp and a Shure SM58. And I was just talking into the mic. I'm not very loud. And usually when I talk into mic preamps and I turn the gain all the way up, I'm getting noise floor. I'm getting kind of sounds. But on this power supply, it was really a lot cleaner than I'm used to. So that is what makes power supplies stand out from one another. So I think this is a great build. I'm stoked on it. I hope Drew likes it. Thanks for sticking around. And let me know what you think. See ya.